Welcome y'all to Robin on the Farm. I just got back from picking up my most recent Azure Standard order and I wanted to show you my haul. Now I've told y'all that I like to buy my grains and my flours in bulk, and then I store them in those 5-gallon buckets with those gamma lids on top that you see in practically all of my videos. Well, this is how I buy my grains in bulk. I buy them from Azure Standard. The cool thing is you can get eggs, butter, milk. You can get anything that you could possibly dream of, basically, on Azure Standard. They have frozen things, fresh produce, but I like focusing on my bread making supplies. Their grains are fantastic. They have lots of ancient grains, things that I can't get anywhere near me. They're located in Oregon, but they have community drops all over the United States. So I live way on out in the country, and there's a community drop just 10 minutes from my home. That's closer than any grocery store. So I just order these several times a year. I go to my community drop on the day that it's gonna be there, load up my car and head home, and it is so simple. Now I just wanna show you what I got. Like I said, I focus on my bread making supplies, so all of this is things that I will use for making bread. I feel like the more that I have, the more I'll use, the better we'll eat. So I was hoping by going through all of these things that I got, it'll give you a good idea of some of the things that you might want to try. And I think it's fun. This is like Christmas Day to me whenever I get one of these orders. I actually got a little bit more than what I'm showing here. I couldn't fit it in my kitchen. Couldn't even get it all on camera, and I didn't want to drag it all in yet. So this is what I got. I got 2 of these 50-pound bags of soft white wheat. You can use soft white wheat in cookies, quick breads. It's very versatile, so I use a ton of it. I got a 50-pound bag of khorasan, also known as kamut. Good stuff. I go through a ton of that too, so I got it in the big 50-pound bag. Now, not all of these are available in a 50-pound bag. Some of these, like the einkorn, is only available in 25. So I got 2 25-pound bags of einkorn. I'm gonna make some bread out of this today. I haven't had any einkorn since we moved. I'm excited for a loaf of fresh milled einkorn bread. I also got this really awesome organic soft white wheat heirloom variety. The heirloom variety is awesome because you can plant this. So I'm gonna plant some soft white wheat this year. We'll see how it goes. I also got some whole white corn, and I got some whole yellow corn. I love to grind up corn into cornmeal. We're from the South, so we eat a ton of cornbread. So I make my own cornbread out of this fresh milled corn, and I also like to make corn tortillas out of it. I also got some emmer grain. I have some fantastic recipes to share with y'all that I have not shared with so many of these varieties. Okay, so I got 25 pounds of emmer. I got 25 pounds of rye grain. You know, a rye sourdough bread is in the future for me, isn't it? I also got a bunch of spelt. Now, I got a bunch of these. I got 8 of these in these 5-pound bags. The reason I did that was because they were out of the bigger bags and I wanted a bunch. I got 40 pounds of spelt. Now you might notice that I don't have any hard winter white wheat or hard winter red wheat, and that's because I am stocked up on that. I love food storage and I love having what I need to make breads and make food to take care of my family during hard economic times or just anything. And so I actually have enough hard winter white and hard winter red stored in my food storage to make a loaf of bread for the next 5 years every single day. I know it's a little bit crazy, but it's important to me and it gives me a lot of peace of mind. So when I order, I get all these extras. I don't need any hard winter white or hard winter red wheat. I've got that covered. But I do love getting all of these ancient grains that I can add in with my wheats and make really good nutritious breads. Now I also got a bunch of a little bit lesser known things. You can grind up practically anything and add it to your bread and give it even more nutrition. I got some amaranth. This is an ancient grain. I also got some sorghum. I got some barley. I got some millet. These are some good options for gluten-free breads. And I also got some buckwheat. Gonna be making some good buckwheat pancakes and waffles pretty soon. And I've been really wanting a bunch of seeds in my bread lately. So I got a bunch of seeds to add to my breads. Here are the seeds I got. I got poppy seeds, white sesame seeds, black sesame seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, raw sunflower seeds, black chia seeds, and I also got this really yummy fruit medley. It's peaches, pears, apricots, apples, and raisins. That is gonna be good. That's gonna be good for snacking or some overnight oats. It'll be really good in some bread recipes too. Now I also got this. This is barley malt syrup. This is what you need to make really authentic bagels. I've been out of this for a while. I'm gonna be making some bagels soon. I'll show you how to do it too. Now they also have stuff like olive oil. I've been needing some olive oil and they have a good price on it. So I grabbed some of that too. And of course, my Redmond's real salt that I love so much. This is a great place to get it. Also, just for fun, I got one little packet of seeds. See, you can get anything there. These aren't seeds like this that you eat. These are seeds for gardening. These are some of my okra seeds. It's time to start thinking about your gardens out there. And that is everything I got from Azure Standard. This really feels like Christmas morning. I love all of these things. Now, if you want to make an order from Azure Standard, I'll leave a link below. And if you've never ordered before, I'll leave you a coupon code that'll get you 15% off of any order over $100. So that's a good money saver right there. But I am super pleased in everything I've ever gotten from Azure Standard. The quality is top notch. All of my grains have always been really clean, really good, and I use this stuff up. I don't just buy it and store it. I use it, and I am happy with it. I'll probably be making another order like this in the next few months, and I'll share that with you too. I'll also be sharing lots of bread recipes that I make using all of this. So if you like fresh milled flour recipes, be sure to be watching out for those.
Robin's in the kitchen, dough beneath her hands, wheat from the fields and eggs from her land. Sunlight through the window, a warm golden glow. She's working hard to make that dough. With flour on her apron, loving each need, ground wheat fresh, sowing her seed. The smell of fresh bread rises in the air. Simple life without a care. In Robin's kitchen, dreams come alive. Each loaf of bread a reason to strive. From sunrise to sunset, her heart's on show, working hard to make the dough. Little chickens in the coop, clucking with pride. Fresh eggs collected at morning's tide. Robin hums a tune, a soft country song. In her kitchen she feels she belongs. The big oak table, nicked and worn. Memories of dinners both old and reborn. And kneading each ball with a rhythm she knows. Working hard to make that dough. In Robin's kitchen, dreams come alive. Each loaf of bread a reason to strive. From sunrise to sunset, her heart's on show, working hard to make the dough. In Robin's kitchen, dreams come alive. Each loaf of bread a reason to strive. From sunrise to sunset, her heart's on show, working hard to make the dough.